that we've unloaded our washer, it's time to load our dryer. You don't want to fill the dryer any more than half full. It's the opposite of the washer. If you fill it too much, it's not going to be able to dry properly. And then remember, just make sure nothing goes in there all squished together. It's got to be open. This is a full load here. It's about halfway full. You can still fit a large-sized beach ball in there. You don't want to fill it any more than this. Once it's full, put in 2 dryer sheets. Close your door. And on your settings, if there's any towels in there, you're going to set it to 50. But if it's mostly fleece blankets and beds, you can set it to 40. We have some towels in there, so we're going to put it to 50. And then you just press the on button. When you're pulling things out of the washer to dry, there's a few things that don't go in the dryer. Any leashes with metal or harnesses with metal will get air dried, as well as these mop heads. So we've got our long one and these 2 styles, and these all get air dried on top of the washer.